Have you ever felt like your thoughts are spinning out of control? Like your brain just won't stop overthinking or stressing about everything? You're not alone. Our minds are constantly running, often jumping between regrets of the past and worries about the future. This non-stop mental chatter can lead to anxiety, stress, and even sleepless nights. But here's the truth. Your mind is a tool, not your master. If you don't learn how to control it, it will end up controlling you. There's a simple yet powerful psychological trick that can help you take back control of your mind. It's called cognitive diffusion, a technique used in modern therapy. Here's how it works. Instead of saying, "I'm anxious," try saying, "I'm having the thought that I'm anxious." It might sound small, but this shift creates distance between you and your thoughts. Suddenly, you're not inside the anxiety, you're observing it from the outside. You're no longer trapped by your thoughts, you're watching them, and that makes all the difference. To practice this, the next time you notice a negative or stressful thought, pause. Don't argue with it or push it away. Simply label it by saying, "I'm having the thought that," and let it pass. Take a deep breath, stay calm, and observe it like you would a cloud in the sky. Over time, this builds mental clarity and emotional strength. Just 5 minutes a day of this practice can shift how your brain responds to stress and help you regain control. Remember, your thoughts are not facts, they're just mental events, and you have the power to step back from them. Control your mind, and you'll begin to control your life.